We're here at Boston BioLife to talk through all aspects of regenerative medicine.
If you're interested in regenerative medicine and all aspects of it, I highly recommend you attend one of their courses.
It's got a great reputation for educating and treating doctors and helping them navigate.
It's a great place to meet new opportunities, but to stay atop of the innovations in the medical community.
Including the new technologies, the latest science, and most importantly, interacting with all the other surgeons, doctors, people in this industry.
This is an excellent forum if you're interested in learning about regenerative medicine, both on a hands-on as well as how to implement it after you leave within your practice.
Thank you for having us here at Boston BioLife.